Hey guys, Auto Recon ATX here. Today we will be demonstrating the process of paintless dent repair. Our technician will be removing a small dent in the passenger door of this 2019 Mitsubishi using the paintless dent repair method. As you can see, our technician is gently massaging the dent from the underside, ensuring the vehicle's factory paint and finish is unharmed. Our technicians have a minimum of 20 plus years experience. Give us a call today and get a mobile dent repair. 888-979-4245. That's 888-979-4245. Serving Steiner Ranch, Lakeway, and all of Austin, Texas.